it's nice to just like walk past and with your friends or your family and just say, I was part of making this.
We did very different stuff in workshops, so we did drawings and then paintings. We got to paint something that had a message to it.
The astronaut represents someone reaching out for the eagle and like reaching out to their dreams.
They taught us lots of things about art, and it's a whole nother form of art, but graffiti is a lot different and a lot bigger. All the work that we've been doing finally leads up to seeing the wall, and it's been a long time because of COVID.
Well, it's a lot different to art classes at school, and I've never really got to paint anything as big as this.
I'm proud to be a part of this. I'm proud that I've put myself out there and put my skills to use.